What is in a signature? What are you saying about yourself every time you place that pen to parchment? That I am accountable, responsible, and I am dedicated. A signature can denote a deeply personal accomplishment, signify a commitment, or demonstrate pride in one's work. A signature can say, proudly, I care. At Renewal by Andersen, we care. We strive to provide you a superior window replacement solution for you and your home. Every effort is put into making the finest replacement window possible, utilizing our exclusive Fibrex material. Our people are the best in the industry and take great pride in providing you with the best home improvement experience you'll ever have. We call it Signature Service. It's a principle we all take very personally. So much so, we sign our names to it. Renewal by Andersen's Signature Service. Just another reason why we are the better way to a better window.